everybody, welcome back to Layman Loans. In this video, we are going to see whether you have to involve your individual company. If you're going to be a self-employed person or a business person, do you want to involve your individual company, a proprietorship company or a private limited company as an applicant in your loan? So there are different forms of loans, and let us consider a loan like a loan against property or a home loan, which is a secured loan. And if you're going to take such a loan from a bank, the banks might ask you to go for multiple applicants. So first of all, who is an applicant? Anyone who is applying for a loan is an applicant, and there is someone called as a guarantor who will guarantee a loan. If you fail to pay the EMI, the banks will ask the applicants as well as the guarantor. And the banks have the rights to take the property which you have hypothecated to the bank, or any subsequent value which is pending to the bank, they will be able to reclaim that with the properties of the applicants. So fundamentally, what the bank will do on a safer note, they'll ask you to make your company as well as an applicant. What are the downsides or the after effects if you make your company as an applicant? Let us see that in detail. The main impact what you will see is your pre-closure fee will skyrocket. What do you mean by a pre-closure fee? So assume you have taken a 20-year loan against property for about 2 crores. So you will be ending up paying say 1.5 to 2 lakhs of EMI every month for a 20-year period. So let us presume that there is a lock-in period of 6 months, and then there's a pre-closure fee when you are closing the loan before its actual tenure. The actual tenure is 20 years. So let us assume you have a rate of interest of 10% on the loan. They have given you a 2 crore loan, and the rate of interest on the loan is about say 10% of the entire principal value. So 10% of 2 crores is 20 lakhs. So 20 lakhs is the interest rate alone what you are paying for the loan on a per annum basis. So if you are paying that loan for 10 years, you will actually end up paying 2 crores as interest alone. If you are paying for 20 years, you will end up paying 4 crores as interest alone. By the time you pay back the loan, you would have actually ended up paying 6 crores to the bank. That is the 2 crores of principal and another 4 crores in interest. So put together for a 2 crore loan, after 20 years, you would have ended up paying around 6 crores. So let us assume you sold any one of your property and you got a lump sum of around 2 to 2.5 crores after about 5 years since you took the loan. So in 5 years, you would have actually paid about 1 crore in interest, and you would have paid say subsequently about 30 to 40 lakhs of the principal of the loan. So after 5 years, if you're going to the bank and saying that you have a lump sum amount now and you wish to actually pre-close this entire loan, then what happens is they'll put a fee called as a pre-closure charge or a pre-closure fee. If you are an individual who has applied for the loan, then the pre-closure fee will be really small. It can be a 0.5% or a maximum of 1% pre-closure fee only, because you're just an individual. The applicant can be an individual person, say it can be a family of individuals or partners, but technically it's going to be individuals with a separate Aadhaar card and a PAN card. So they are just individual people, and the pre-closure fee will be accordingly to the individuals. But if you involve a company up here and assume you have 3 applicants, wherein 2 applicants are you and your spouse, and the 3rd applicant is your company, and you are signing on behalf of your company as the director, then what happens is the pre-closure fee will become 3 or 4%. So instead of paying a 1% pre-closure fee, you will actually end up paying 4% pre-closure fee because your company has been involved as an applicant. So for a 2 crore loan, 1% pre-closure fee is 2 lakhs. And if it is going to become 4%, it will actually become 4 into 2, 8 lakhs. So when you are closing your loan, you have to actually pay 8 lakhs as pre-closure fee, wherein you would have actually paid 2 lakhs only. So 6 lakhs is the amount which you have to pay if you have your company signed as an applicant on your loan, because the risk involved in having a company or giving a loan to a company is much high. So the banks actually consider this as a premium to make the pre-closure fee to be much higher. So always ensure you try to get your loan as an individual person only, so that you can definitely save a lot of money on this pre-closure charges. There are several other schemes wherein something like overdraft or company loans or business loans, wherein you can get on the name of your company, because of which you will be able to avail special benefits and status as well. So there are MSME loans or loans wherein the banks will, as per RBI governance policy, they'll motivate the industries to start more ventures. So they'll be giving more loans for increasing the cash flow through overdraft and so on. So those types of loans you can definitely go for a company loan, but mostly for standard loans like home loan, loan against property, all these types of loans which has your individual assets involved, always try to remove your company or the business entity from that loan, because it is definitely going to increase the overall charge for pre-closure, and it will also increase the rate of interest for the loan as well. I hope you have got a lot of knowledge on whether you have to involve your company or not for the loans. And if you're looking for any assistance or support regarding getting a new loan, whether it is secured or unsecured loan, we'll be more than happy to help you. The way you can approach us is by filling the details in a link mentioned in the description and the comments below. It's just a Google form. You can just fill it up and our team will be there to assist you further. I hope this video is useful to you all. Looking forward to connect with you all in the next one. Thank you so much.